Hello, welcome, guys.
Yeah.
And Destiny's here.
Yes,
Destiny's here
I'm
too.
here. I had to. When they said jewelry, I was like, I'm here.
Yes.
You don't have to ask twice.
Okay, so Velani, Valentine's Day is coming up. Obviously,
Yeah.
jewelry is a wonderful, wonderful gift. Please go out. Please consider some of this jewelry. Can you tell us the story of how this your designs came about and how your company came to be?
Yeah, so my jewelry is all designed and made in Brazil. Velani is me. I'm the name and face of my brand. So when I moved to Guam, I saw a lack of good jewelry that you can get in the ocean, shower, and it's not gonna like tarnish, you're not gonna turn green or black. And I wanted to bring this. So these are all hypoallergenic, nickel-free. And Valentine's Day is coming. We're gonna be at Swap Meet in Marketplace to sell you beautiful jewelry. And also, I just wanted to show you, I carry unisex styles too. So if you were looking to buy for your boyfriend, husband, we do have the rope that is trending right now. Also the paper clip, and this is like such an addition for your wardrobe every day.
And they go really, really well together.
Yes, they
in
do.
combination.
They
So
really do.
yeah, I like to layer like this because I do get clients saying, I don't know how to layer my jewelry. So here I am to help you. Like right now I'm wearing two items together. This is a choker and one of my best.
And that goes very, very nice with your shirt.
I know, you're perfectly matched. And I love that you also had in mind that, you know, people are always in the water.
Yes.
So this is great. I could wear
Yeah.
so I could wear this in the water
Yes,
and
you can.
I'm totally
Yeah.
fine.